In this video, I'm going to show you how to stereo pair your Bose Soundlink Flex Gen 2 speakers, and it's a really straightforward process, and it's a great way to get much better quality out of what you're listening to. First thing you're going to do is turn the power on both speakers. So you just hit the power button here and you'll hear them start up.
Battery 70%.
And now from here, these shortcut buttons on the top of them come preset to do this stereo pairing. So all you have to do is press the button on one of them, and then you're going to press the shortcut button on the other one, and they're going to talk to each other, and then you'll hear when they pair with one another.
Press the shortcut button on a second Bose Bluetooth speaker.
And I've already done that, so they should find each other here in a second.
Stereo mode.
And then you hear stereo mode.
Play. Right.
And now it's going to tell you which channel is the left speaker and which is the right. Now the left channel is the one you want on your left side when you're facing the speakers. So as you're watching this video, this is the right configuration. And this is going to allow you to hear more detail in your music. Now, you can also set these to party mode if you want, which is going to give you bigger sound but not quite as detailed. And to do that, you just hit the shortcut button again on one of the speakers.
Party mode.
And now you've got party mode enacted. But if you want to go back to stereo, you just push that button again and you'll hear it go to stereo mode. And that's really all there is to it. You can do this without setting anything up in the Bose app, which is really nice. Or you can set it up in the app and that'll give you access to changing the equalizers and keeping the firmware up to date. So that is the better way to do it. But if you don't want to go through the hassle of setting up the app, you can do this without needing the app at all. Now, once you have them set up like this, if they're not already Bluetooth connected to your phone, you're going to have to do that as well. And to do that, you just push the Bluetooth button and hold it down for a moment.
Ready to connect.
And you'll hear ready to connect. From there, you're going to use your phone and you're going to go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone. And you're going to find one of the speakers on your phone. Once you connect to one of them, it's going to allow you to do the stereo paired listening as well. And that's all there is to it. It's a really straightforward process. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you contact us here at Apt. We're always happy to help. We'll see you in the next one.